Maybe you should appreciate I got some.
All right. So the thing I'm trying to make a point of down here, somebody help me out. Obviously, what's 18 times 10? 180. What is 12 times 15? 180. And if you don't trust me, you can do it in your calculator. Real quick. You know me. 12 times 15 is the same. 12 times 15 is the same thing as 6 times 30. Let me say this again, because this is really cool if you get this. 12 times 15. Take 2 away from 12 and put it on 15. That's 6 times 30. 6 times 30 is 180. It's much easier to see that. You guys see what I'm saying? 12 times 15, there's a factor of 2 in the 12 that I can put on the 15 and make it a whole number. You can do that with any multiplication. Some of you guys are looking like, continue. All right. So the idea then, if I gave you this, could you factor it? What method would you use to factor this? How many terms are there? This middle guy. Grouping. And grouping would give you back there. So now watch this then. 15 and 12 came from the numbers that are there, but once I put them together, if I start here, I have no idea what they were, but I do know 10 times 18 has to be the same as whatever these are multiplied together. All right, so stay with me. So that's all we know at the moment, is what it looks like. Let's do one more and